Hey everyone, welcome to this complete guide on how to sign up and use Beacons.AI, one of the most powerful link in bio platforms for creators, entrepreneurs, and businesses. If you are looking to optimize your social media presence, monetize your content, and create a beautiful landing page in minutes, then you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to set up, customize, and make the most of Beacons.ai. So let's jump right in. First of all, open your web browser and type in Beacons.ai. Now click on Sign Up in the top right corner. You can sign up using Google, TikTok, or Instagram, or enter an email and create a password. If you choose social sign-in, allow Beacons.ai to access your basic account details. Beacons will ask about your goals. You can choose options like personal brand, business, creator. Select the one that fits you best. Now enter your name, username, and profile image. Your username will be used in your custom Beacons URL, like beacons.ai slash your name. Click Next to continue. Now customizing your Beacons page. Beacons offers several free themes to style your page. You can select a pre-designed template or create a custom look. If you are on the Pro plan, you can upload a background image and customize colors further. Now add your social links. Click on the social links section and add links to Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, and more. This helps flowers easily connect with you across different platforms. Beacons allows you to add different content blocks like mm, link for your website, affiliate links, products, etc. Video embeds, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch streams, etc. Email sign up to collect email subscribers directly on your page. Storefronts and products for selling digital and physical products. Click Add Block, select what you need, and enter your content. Now adjust layout and design. Drag and drop elements to rearrange them, customize fonts, colors, and spacing. Now use the preview button to see how your page looks before publishing. Beacons Store. If you are a creator, you can sell digital products, subscriptions, or accept donations. Click on Monetization, then Store to set up payment options. Add products like ebooks, courses, presets, or exclusive content. You can enable Support Me to allow fans to tip you directly. Set up payment options via PayPal, Stripe, or other payment processors. Beacons allows you to connect emails and phone numbers to grow your audience. Integrate with MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Zapier for automation. Now, get your Beacons link. After setting up your page, copy your unique beacons.ai slash username link Add this to your Instagram bio, Twitter, TikTok, or even your email signatures. Check analytics. Go to the analytics tab to see how many people visit your page, which links they click, and where your traffic is coming from. If you upgrade to Beacons Pro, you get more detailed analytics to optimize your strategy. Now, SEO and social sharing. Beacons allows you to add meta descriptions, keywords, and social preview images. This improves visibility on Google and social media. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Beacons.ai page that showcases your brand, helps you monetize your content, and makes it easier for your followers to connect with you. Whether you are a content creator, business owner, or influencer, Beacons.ai is a fantastic tool to have. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I will sh- see you in the next video.